Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 12 Areas Related to Circles Part 3. Today we have to discuss more problems related to areas of circles. Question number 1. In figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with the center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA equal to 7 cm, find the area of the shaded region. Here, only given measurement is OA equal to 7 cm. That is, the radius of the bigger circle is 7 cm. Therefore, the diameter of the smaller circle, that is OD, is also 7 cm. Here we have to find the area of the shaded region. So how to find the area of the shaded region? Area of the circle having diameter OD, that is the shaded region. Then second shaded region is we have to find the area of that shaded region. Area of the semicircle ABC minus area of the triangle ABC. Then after that you add the area of the circle and the second area. You will get area of the shaded region. So first we have to find the area of the semicircle ABC, that is half pi r square. So half into 22 by 7 into radius is we know 7, 7 into 7. So after the cancellation you will get 77 centimeter square. Then we know OA equal to 7 centimeter, that is the radius of the bigger circle. So OA equal to OD equal to OC equal to OB are the radius of the circle. So how to find the area of the triangle ABC? We know half into base into height, that is half into base we can take AB and height is OC. So half into AB into OC. Here AB is equal to 14 centimeter and OC is equal to 7 centimeter. So half into 14 into 7, by cancellation you will get 49 centimeter square. Then area of the smaller circle. Area of the circle having diameter OD equal to 7 centimeters. So radius is 7 by 2. So the area of circle is pi r square, pi into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. You can take pi 22 by 7. After the cancellation you will get 77 by 2 centimeter square. Then area of the bigger circle, that is area of the circle having radius OA equal to 7 centimeter, that is pi r square, pi into 7 into 7. Then multiply, you will get 154 centimeter square. Then area of the shaded region is equal to area of the circle having diameter OD plus in the bracket area of the semicircle ABC minus area of triangle ABC. So that is equal to the area of the smaller circle, that is 77 by 2 plus area of the semicircle is 77 minus area of the triangle 49. So 77 plus 77 minus 49 is equal to 28. So that's equal to, you will get the answer is 66.5 centimeter square. The next question, the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,3020.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with a radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region and use pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73205. Given that here a equilateral triangle and its area is also given 17,320.5 centimeter square. From the each vertex, that is from A, B and C, we have a circle and we get a small shaded region inside this figure. Then how to find the area of the shaded region? Area of the equilateral triangle minus 3 times of area of the sector. For this, we know area of the equilateral triangle, that is 17,320.5, and we need to find the radius of the circle. For finding the area of the sector, So we can start with the area of the equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 a square, or root 3 by 4 side square, that is equal to, it is given 17,320.5. So side square is equal to 17,320.5 divided by root 3, we know 1.73205. It is given in the question. So cross multiply to right side on the denominator. Also 4 is multiplied to the right side on the numerator. Then it will become 17,320.5 into 4 divided by 1.73205. Then after the calculation, that means numerator 17,320.5 divided by 1.73205 cancel. Then on the numerator you will get 10,000. Then multiply 10,000 into 4, you will get 40,000. That is side square. So which implies side is equal to root of 40,000. That's equal to 200 centimeter. That is, the side of the equilateral triangle is 200 centimeter. That is AB, BC and AC are 200 centimeter. So what is the radius of the circle? Half of 200, that is 200 by 2 is equal to 100 centimeter. We know the area of this sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here given that 60 degree is the angle of equilateral triangle. So 60 divided by 360 into pi into r 100 whole square. That's equal to, after the calculation you will get pi by 6 into 10,000 centimeter square. Here we know in the figure we have three sectors that are equal. So multiply 3 into pi by 6 into 10,000. So pi means 3.14. It is given in the question. So 3 into 3.14 divided by 6 into 10,000. So you will get 15,700 centimeter square. Therefore, the required area of the shaded region is equal to area of the equilateral triangle, means 17,320.5 minus area of three sectors, that is 15,700. That's equal to 1,620.5 centimeter square is the required area. Then next question, on a square handkerchief, 9 circular design, each of the radius 7 cm are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Here we have a square ABCD, and inside a square we have 9 circles. So inside there is a small portion is the remaining portion is the, so we have to find the area of that remaining portion. Okay, so how to find the area of the remaining portion? That's equal to area of the square minus area of the 9 circular design. The question is given that radius of the one circular design is 7 cm. So area of the one circle is equal to pi r square. And here pi is equal to 22 by 7 and radius is 7. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel. Then 22 into 7 is equal to 154 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of 9 circle is equal to 9 into 154, that's equal to 1386 centimeter square. Then next we have to find the area of the square. For this we need the side of the square. So already we know diameter of the circular design is equal to 7 into 2, that is double of 7, that's equal to 14 centimeter. Then from the figure we can find that side of the square is equal to 3 into diameter of one circle, that is 3 into 14. We have a 3 circle, so we have 3 diameter. Adding this 14 plus 14 plus 14, that is 3 diameter, you will get 42 centimeter. That is the side of the square. So area of the square is equal to a square, that is a into a. 42 into 42, that's equal to 1764 centimeter square. So area of the remaining portion is equal to area of the square minus area of the 9 circular design. Then this is equal to 1764 minus 1386, that's equal to 378 centimeter square is the required area. The next question, in the figure OACB is a quadrant of a circle with the center O and the radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of first question quadrant of OACB, second question shaded region. Then question is given that radius of the circle, that is 3.5 centimeter. We can write 7 by 2. Okay. Then first we have to find area of the quadrant. Already we know the formula is 1 by 4 into pi r square. That's equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. After the cancellation you will get 77 by 8 centimeter square. Then next we have to find the area of the shaded region. That's equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. Then area of the triangle, that is equal to half into base into height, that is half into OB. OB is the base and OD is the height. So half into OB means 7 by 2 into here OD is given, question is given that 2 centimeter. So 7 by 2 into 2, after the cancellation you will get 7 by 2 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. That's equal to 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. So here we have to change the denominator into equal. So here 1 is 8 and 2. 2 is converted to 8. You multiply on numerator and denominator 4 by 4. You will get 28 by 8. So 77 minus 28 by 8. So you will get 49 by 8 centimeter square is the required area of the shaded region. The next question, in the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Then we have to find the area of the shaded region is equal to area of this quadrant minus area of the square. So here area of the square is equal to 20 into 20 because one side is given 20. Okay. Then 20 into 20 is equal to 400 centimeter square. Then next we have to find the area of the quadrant. For this we have to draw a diagonal OB in the figure, and you will get a right angle triangle. OA is the base and AB is the altitude and OB is the hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find OB. That is diagonal square is equal to side square plus side square. Then diagonal square is equal to side is given 20. So 20 square plus 20 square can be written as diagonal square is equal to 2 times of 20 square, or diagonal is equal to root of 2 times of 20 square, that's equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. So this is the radius of the circle. Then area of the quadrant is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square or 1 by 4 of pi r square. Use any formula. Okay. Then this become 3.14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 into 90 all divided by 360. Then after the calculation you will get 628 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the square. That's equal to 628 minus 400, that's equal to 228 centimeter square is the required area of the shaded region. The next question, AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radius 21 cm and 7 cm and center O. If angle AOB equal to 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is equal to, we can write area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. So area of the big sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here given that angle is 30 degrees, so 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is given 21 into 21. So after the calculation you will get 115.5 centimeter square. Then area of the smallest sector is equal to, again we can use theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 degree and r is 7 centimeter. So here 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. After the calculation you will get 12.83 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the sector AOB minus area of sector COD. That's equal to 115.5 minus 12.83. That's equal to 102.67 centimeter square. Hence, the area of the shaded region is 102.67 centimeter square. The next question, in figure ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 cm and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Here the question is given that radius of the circle is 14 cm, that is AB is equal to 14 cm and AC equal to 14 cm. By using Pythagoras theorem you will get BC is equal to 14 root 2 cm. Therefore the radius of the semicircle is equal to 7 root 2 cm. So we can write area of the shaded portion is equal to area of semicircle of radius 7 root 2 centimeter plus area of an isosceles triangle with equal sides of 14 centimeter each minus area of quadrant of radius 14 centimeter. In the figure, this is the area of the semicircle and this is the area of the isosceles triangle. Adding together you will get one answer and subtract area of quadrant of radius 14 centimeter. You will get area of the shaded region. Then area of semicircle is equal to half pi r square. Here radius is 7 root 2. So half into pi into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Then plus area of an isosceles triangle, that is half into base into height, half into 14 into 14 minus area of quadrant theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degrees, so 90 degree by 360 into pi into 14 into 14, then is equal to pi into 7 root 2 square means 49 into 2. 49 into 2 means 2 cancel, so 49 pi. Then next 14 and 2 cancel, 7. 7 into 14 is equal to 98. Then 90 by 360 means 1 by 4. Then after the cancellation you will get 49 pi. So last answer is 98 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.